What is going on, everybody? It's One Ben Nation, under Zod, indivisible, with liberty, and we're taking down Superman for all. Now, looks like we've had a nice little run, a nice little recovery. It's been fairly muted. Now, I know a lot of you felt really good about it because, to be fair, it's been about a 40% increase over 2 days, but it's coming back down right now because we were testing certain levels, and those levels were being rejected. So let's go look at them. Let's see what's going on. First of all, so the rejection levels right here at about 7,000. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've 6 times on the hour charts. We've tested this level at 7,000 and been rejected every single time with a massive amount of sell-off. So that turns out it's going to be a point of contention. We're going to need a strong level of investment to get a breakthrough there. Those people are fiercely trying to take profits. So we recognize the level. Now we got to see, what do we do about it? Well, the next move here, of course, is the standard. It came down to the 50 SMA, bounced off of it one time, but did not hold right there as we started to get some downward pressure. Now, there were some other charts that were pumping thousands of percent yesterday through the evening and through this morning. So you're going to see a whole bunch of the weaker hands that were here originally probably moving into that to try to get wrecked at the top, I guess. I have no idea what's going on over there, but there's some stuff happening. Now, what was all this about? Well, what we did see was Habeebi come to Dubai, and that meant it really was a symbol that BitBoy Crypto next month will be going to Dubai for a yacht party and the release of the Dubai token. Now, is the Dubai token part of the Bencoin network? It is not part of the network, but it is a sister project in different ways. That's a sister project in that Wolfie, the guy that did it, is a potential investor and a potential partner in future endeavors for Bencoin, and that makes a good situation. And it is my understanding, president of a bank in Dubai, he's a very influential person. So I think it's important to have somebody like that, not on your team, but in your orbit. So I would take that any day. So it caused a nice little pump. You're starting to see people who are recognizing the signs, and they're starting to get in. Now, of course, we have to have our standard corrections. What would I expect to see? I would expect to see this come down just a little bit more into this 5,700 range, and then a bounce coming off of that. That's our green support line. That's what we want to see. That's going to be what's healthiest for the chart. Now, if it breaks down, then you're looking at this 200 SMA down here in the 5,200 range for a bounce there. So let's expect, we're hoping for the best. We're hoping for a nice little reversal here. But remember, it really takes a catalyst to put you to that next level. And we don't really have a catalyst in the chamber that's just ready to be unleashed on people until Ben and Cassie really kind of break it out for you and show you, here we go. And that's going to include some of this right here. New exchanges. Now, there's $3 million in trading volume. And of course, the chart value's up a little bit on the day. But the markets maintain themselves pretty good. 24-hour volume over here. If we go look at this is unreported, by the way, the ZT right here, which is why you're seeing this say 8.6 million, but it's not part of the total over here. We're not really sure that that's a reliable source. So it is reported on CoinMarketCap, but but Uniswap, $1 million in volume. BitGet, 579,000. Bitmart, 522,000. 453 on LBank. MEXC, 266,000. So there's trading volume going on around the place. $3 million in trading volume every day. Not too bad. Looking, by the way, at 100 billion tokens on the V2. If you come around here in Bencoin, this is the video that came out. Ben's looking at maybe 100 billion tokens as opposed to, and the idea here was that 100 billion tokens, if it launched right now, it'd only be 20x to a penny or something like that. Putting it to a penny would be an interesting move. So it would be a penny at $1 billion market cap, has a little significance, has a little meaning to it. So I think that might be something that they're going to want to do going forward. Seems like a pretty good idea. Beep still out here doing its thing, partner program for the moment. BitBoy watching the White Sox stomp out the Atlanta Braves and break that home run streak yesterday. Is there something in my throat? Ooh, irony. I must have been choking on that irony. God, doggy. A lot of stuff about XRP. Cassandra, look, we got everything working. We've got everything moving. Here we go. What a big week it's been for crypto, et cetera, et cetera. Now we're just learning So go check out the socials if you want to go check out what's going on. Not a whole lot of information coming out right now, but we do know that next month is Dubai, and we'll see what happens there. This is not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very, very soon.